Alright, YouTubers. I've said before, I don't make a lot of desserts, but I'm going to make a quick dessert. This is from Aldi's. This is blueberry pie filling. Are we making a pie? No. Ooh, I do like blueberries though. All we are going to do is I got some tortillas, the smaller ones. And we're going to make like taquitos. And roll them up. I'll show you what we're going to do next though. We have sugar, actual real sugar. There's probably a breakdown you should do, so much of this and so much of that. Cinnamon. Mix it up. Looks like it needs a little bit more cinnamon, right? Probably gonna need more of each. And there we go with the NuWave Mini. What we're gonna do now is I have this cheap spray butter stuff, so I'll spray a little butter. Hopefully it'll hold this together. And now we're gonna roll it around. Yeah, pretty simple. Aluminum foil on there. I'm gonna take that and put it on. So I'm fully aware this video should be 5 seconds long, but it's YouTube. This is what we do. Spray butter. Just enough to help this stuff stick to it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You guys have probably noticed by now I don't do anything all that complicated. I have a couple ideas to, in the future I'll do something like this again. And I really don't do a lot of desserts, but every now and then a sweet tooth hits me. But the butter will help the cinnamon stuff stick to it, and it will also help it brown up a little bit. We're going to get one more out of it. Pretty simple, huh? Alright, we're moving stuff because we always got to play the shifting game. They're in there. We're going to do cook time. It's on high. We're going to do 10 minutes. They should brown up. We'll flip them here in a little bit. We're going to do a flip. Hopefully. Oh yeah. Well, they got a little crust going to them. I'm going to do about 5 more minutes. I'm going to get them in there. Okay? Okay, away they go. Doesn't that look good? I think they look good. We'll be back. Alright, we're off. I'll take these little beauties off of here. Put them on a plate to cool. It's about as quick and easy as a dessert as you can make, huh? Look, it made a little bit of a mess. That's okay. I think you guys get this. I don't know how many of these I gotta show. Now, like real butter would be better, but use what you got. And that's gonna be the last one. And the rest I might eat out of there with the spoon. I apologize. Don't judge me. I don't judge you guys. I said cleaning's going to be a little extra because I got some blueberry on a NuWave Mini, but cook time 10 minutes. And then we'll flip it. Alright? Alright. We'll taste some in a minute. I'll tell you, one day they're going to invent smell-o-vision, and all these people that say watching my videos makes them gain weight, it might actually happen. Because you smell this good stuff and you might actually force yourself to go eat something. Alright, 5 more minutes. And then we're going to taste them. Looks like I got 9 out of that can. I probably could have got 10. It's hard to make them fit. Ooh, they're hot. We're going to let them cool down. Again, you need that smell-o-vision. Woohoo! Alright, how hot is? I'm going to take one down from the bottom like Jenga. It's still warm, but it's not going to burn my mouth. Oh yeah, that's really good. That is about as easy as a dessert can get. But I used blueberry because I like blueberry. You can use apple, you can use cherry, you can use whatever you would want to use. And just super simple, some butter on it, sugar and cinnamon. Friggin' awesome. Alright, YouTubers, I don't make a lot of desserts. Every now and then I do, and this is one of the simplest ones you can do. Have a great and wonderful day.